Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at the points P and Q respectively. If 2, minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ, then coordinates of P and Q are respectively. Let's try to visualize this situation. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is line PQ. This is P. This is Q. Now since P is intersecting y-axis, its coordinates are 0, y, and since Q is intersecting x-axis, its coordinates are x, 0. 2, minus 5 is midpoint of PQ, and we have to find the y values of x and y. We simply use midpoint formula, which states that midpoint 2 minus 5 will be equal to x1 plus x2, here 0 plus x divided by 2, y1 plus y2, here y plus 0 divided by 2. And in order to find x and y, we simply equate respective coordinates, that is x coordinate with x coordinate and y with y. So we get 2 equal to 0 plus x is x by 2, so we get x equal to 4, and minus 5 equal to y plus 0 is y by 2, so we get y equal to minus 10. So the coordinates of P and Q will be P is 0, minus 10 and Q will be 4, 0. So answer is option D, 0, minus 10 and 4, 0.